in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here just smoking on weed. Told him don't take a shot. I'm so high in here just smoking weed. Told him don't take a shot.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm KMT as a Khomotso Tema. Guys, we are making our way to Takealot House of Beauty. I'm waiting for my Uber. It's 3 minutes away. But we're gonna have fun. Come with me. I'm on the phone with Barbie because Mimosa. Oh, okay, guys. There are so many brands coming. I'm excited for first things first. I'm excited for Estee Lauder. Excuse me. There's Don Julio. There's Ray-Bans. There's Maybelline. There is Eucerin. There's Neutrogena. There is Clarins. There is where's the list? There's B&G. There's Benini. There's Philips. Over 20 brands are there. Makeup, scents, hair. That's why I have my natural chin. Not so natural. But skin brands, we have CeraVe, Elizabeth Arden, Estee Lauder, Neutrogena, Eucerin Skin Functional, Garnier, Skoon, Glute, Cetaphil, The Ordinary. Yeah, the event is happening at Kyalami Grand Prix Circuit in Midrand. Currently 11 minutes past 8. The event starts at 9. We might make it on time. My Uber driver is here, so let's go. Bye.
So where's the light?
Thank you. Thank you. Guys, they are fucking here. Hi, girl. You. I want to charge my phone. Hi. There's a masterclass happening right now. Yes, Kun.
Okay, I want to do an energy check quickly. On the left, are we good? Are we good? You have to give me the most energy. Are we good? Joy. It begins in 3, 2, 1.
This was the first masterclass we attended. It was hosted by Lloyd, full name Louis Somange. It was so fun. I learned a little bit more about makeup and yeah.
Find out if that concealer does it help with does it help with that level of also
Are we going to the upper house?
Oh, your butt looks so nice.
Bobby, here's Benzeg. Next is up here. Bobby Masodi. My babe. I should Neutrogena, babe. It's Catrice. I'm coming. all love us. Life I could choose. Leon, don't, Leon, don't, Leon. What is this? Oh, so it's a skin.
This is a sunscreen. This is a serum. These three are all gels. Eh? Yes. Now you can take it. Yeah, boy.
Keep on, Jim. Don't you think so?
What is this? What is this? Sunscreen. Outlines are oranges, so which one is it? Yeah, boy. This one? Yes! Thank you.
Don't you think it's a winner?
New range of fragrances. Over there we have our Adidas body mist. Unfortunately, we don't have any. You can take out 2,000 at the same time.
You can do it. It's empty. Oh. Hey. Yeah. Where's the other floor then?
That's here and you just connect. So you don't have to send it in line.
What if?
This was the second masterclass I attended. I loved this one because the model's skin tone was closer to mine. I just love it when I can relate.
People will hear about this.
They will hear that you're going to Qatar without me.
These girls. And a Koshia. This girl. I'll tell you when I get home. Qatar.
One nice is going to get
Yeah, I know, right? I don't know. Come on, Bobby, get it go.
We went out now.
It is dope. Marwa is the space. Ish, kita ka cinematic ya how. Lift is so hard to pull off. Thank you so much. So good. We have some space for the legs. It's been a long day. You see everything is. And you take a look at yourself, you know. But that is. I'm sorry.
I love this video. That's so I like it.
What a day, what a day, what a day. Let me just show you guys a sneak preview. I'm finally gonna taste this. After we didn't win nothing, they just gave us a rowing lift. That game was rigged. I know my phone is dying.
I don't know. I want ko may bali. Kupala.
That is not fair.
It's fair.
My sister, that's not
It's
fair.
fair. Give me one timer. I told you I'm gonna do timer. See, this break is being so unfair.
Apa baba kiri
You
muna?
know,
Baba
really made sure I learned my really about guys. Let me tell you something.
But it looks so good.
I look like
Princess Consuela.
if my hair big now. Like, show your nails.
You are so mean. I just have a problem with my nails. They could be better. But guys, so much fun.
You think it's a Western Express?
Comfortable feeling ice cream. And something in here. I get perfume. I get jolly. I get apolo. I get
I'm about to eat my favorite thing.
My friend won this for me.
Not just that. Show them the other thing. I want you two things, and she doesn't want to give me a primer. Just one primer.
What's the other thing you want from me?
Like Neutrogena ice thing. You put water inside and it's for ice. I told you I always wanted to get you that thing.
It's Eucerin.
What did I get from Eucerin? Nothing.
So, gimana sa bangan? Salamin ka.
Salami ko, Waisal. Salami tea.
Oh, okay. And then
You open it? Yes.
We'll be opening up our last masterclass of the day, presented by Comfort. And rumor has it there's a little something for everyone in this masterclass by Comfort. So make sure
We gotta
you
go.
come for our last masterclass. And like I said, rumor has it that Comfort has something for everyone.
In case I decided to drink something.
Guys, we gotta go to the master class though. What's up? Guys, I heard there is no better time than now. Than now. something like that. I'm so tired, but got to drinking, eh? And then roll.
Told him gon' take a shot. I'm so high in heaven smoking. Told him gon' take a shot. I'm so high in heaven smoking.
So just to give you guys a beautiful ass disclaimer. My sister's husband is watching, so I will close the door. But if living away or so what we're drinking today is the tropical red square pineapple flavored spirit cooler. One of my sisters took my B&G and exchanged this, and it's fun because I'm actually disappointed in the mimosa.